In this video we'll be talking about ARB, which is a very interesting coin that we made a lot of videos on. These are just some of the wins we had. Look at this: short, long. I was looking for a longs closing to open up another long, and we did. So the question is, what is going to happen now? Because we just cleared out these weak highs where a lot of stop losses had their basically stops. A lot of shorts had their stops. So I'm interested in taking a short right now to the downside, probably to view up right here. So this is my short-term trade on ARB, but what is my longer-term outlook on the coin? The first thing you will notice is that we are in a downtrend. This downtrend will be over when we break this high right here, and also we'll have a stronger downtrend if we break this low right here. And the market has to decide the next 3 or 4 days where it wants to go. It will go either way, please, from either here or we'll break out from here. These are the two options. There's not a lot of options. We're running out of time on ARB and something needs to happen. But these are the two trend lines you need to watch out for if you want to have a strong trade. At least this is personally how I'll be trading it. You can find more about my trading style in the link in the description below. I'm up 274 grand on meme coins, and also in the link in the description below I'll have links for Weex, which are currently giving you a 20% deposit bonus. You can claim it right now, but for just securing your account you can claim a $10 to $100 bonus on top of that. Love you. See you next one. Bye.